2019 is on the way, and a new year means a chance for you to have a new start on your channel. However, one of the main issues that people have with going into a new year, especially when they're in school, is maintaining a consistency with their upload schedule or just uploading in general. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about tips and tricks for you to be able to start uploading consistently and help start maintaining that channel for the rest of next semester. Hello everyone, my name is Mykal, better known as ITZsharky, and in today's video we are going to be talking about tips, tricks, strategies, just really anything, so then in 2019 you are able to maintain your channel. So like I said a few videos back, this video is more directed towards people that are enrolled in school. This includes middle school, high school, college, I guess technically elementary school, but I don't know why you have a channel that early, but that's beside the point. So we're gonna talk about a few things. Now, you guys should all probably be out of winter break by the time you see this video, and if you're seeing this video when you're back in school, that is kind of unfortunate, but you can still take those same principles the next time you get break. I guess that's spring break or whatever. So first things first is, for 2019, you need to start planning to have a schedule. And in planning to have a schedule, you need to start, realizing, okay, what days can I edit? What days can I record? When you put those things together, it helps you basically get into a habit of doing things. So let's say you want to upload every Monday and Friday. During the weekends, you can, like on Saturday you can record, Sunday you can edit and upload it and schedule it for Monday, and then throughout the week you can record, edit, and upload it to go live on Friday. That's just a basic example. Now obviously just scheduling this is, I guess in a sense, not necessarily realistic, because you have to take into account your personal schedule. For me, last year I did poorly on my transition from 2017 to 2018 because I was basically unprepared. I was not ready for all the activity that basketball was going to put on me. I was not ready for all the activity that academic decathlon was going to put on me. And because of that, my channel suffered. And looking back at that, looking back on all of my videos then, they were not only just spaced out, but the quality of them is just, they were bad. It's like, now I go back and look at them, I'm like, I used to watch this, or I used to make these, but once again, that's beside the point. So in addition to building your schedule, you need to have to understand what you do in your life, because one of the main things about being consistent is you got to find a balance. So let's say, I don't know, you were like me my senior year. You have 4 AP classes and you have maybe an extracurricular activity that requires you to be after school, every day. Well, knowing that, I guess it's safe to say to upload twice a week or even just once a week. But if you are going to upload once a week, make sure it's the same day every single week, and you got to make sure you put it clear. So put it in your about, put it in your descriptions whenever you're concluding, or maybe whenever you're introducing. You should say, I upload videos every single Wednesday at this time or around this time. This not only builds consistency with you uploading, but if your audience knows when you're gonna upload, and even people that necessarily aren't your audience yet, but they watch your videos but they're not subscribed, they'll know that, okay, I could come back next week on Wednesday at, I don't know, 8 o'clock and expect a new video. And with building that consistency, that enables your active audience to grow more. So now that we kind of got the basics, we set out our schedule, we know we need to balance it with our life and stuff. Now we got to talk about, how do we exactly prepare? So even though I said, set out your schedule, know what's in your life, now you got to take into account some things personally about you. How long does it take for you to edit videos? How long does it take for you to record? How long does it take for you to make a thumbnail and input all the metadata? using all this, you need to make sure that in between uploads that you have ample time to get all of this stuff done. But at the same time, if you're able to get this stuff done daily, make sure you don't burn yourself out. I mean, even I don't recommend daily videos until, you know, you are higher up. It's better to at least space out videos once a day, and I've seen that personally. I used to upload daily videos back when my channel was new, and the growth that I've seen upload daily videos it lacks in comparison to the growth I seen whenever I started spacing my videos out by like a day. So once again, I don't recommend uploading daily videos because that's a lot of stress that you're putting on yourself, and you will lead to creator burnout. You'll start to hate what you're doing, and then it'll show in your videos, and then people won't subscribe to you because they're like, well, if he hates making these videos just shown by his language, then why would I want to subscribe to him? People nowadays, they're like, I want to see energy, I want to see engagement. And because of people wanting to see energy and engagement, this is why on my BCT courses and eventually my gaming videos in the future, I do face cam. Seeing a person's face is engaging, and being able to kind of, it's like another way you can connect with them, another way, you know, you can like see, I don't know. But yeah, so you need to find out how long it takes you to edit, record, make thumbnails, input metadata. And metadata is, I made a video on it I think last week talking about, no, 2 weeks ago talking about it. So you should check out the iCard in the upper right, probably after this video. There'll also be a link in the description. But you need to take into account all those factors and allow that to also help you set your schedule. If it takes you, I don't know, let's say 3 hours to record, because maybe you record in bulk, it takes you another 2 hours to edit, and then it takes you around an hour or so to make the thumbnail or and input metadata, then I guess a safe thing would be like to upload twice a week or maybe even 3 times a week. But going based upon that schedule, it is a poor decision to like upload daily or upload 5 days in a row. So now that you kind of got an idea of what you want to do for 2019, maybe you're like, I'm going to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and each day in between is my break day where I'm going to work on the next videos. That is great, but now we're going to talk about what can help you, especially for those of you watching this video that are still in school. Right now, it's your winter break, you're probably enjoying the holidays with your family or whatever, and during this time, you should be utilizing it to get ahead of schedule. Now, you guys probably heard me say this before if you are familiar to my BCT videos, but getting ahead of your schedule is important, and because in case something goes wrong in your life or something prevents you from being able to make videos, you'll still be providing content for your viewers. So what I recommend for all of you guys is, yes, still upload videos during this winter break, maybe 1 or 2 videos a week, but on the back burner, you should be putting some videos aside for 2019. If you're an art channel and you're enrolled in school, or if you're an art channel, then start recording some of your drawings that you can upload for 2019. Get the ideal range you want to get is around 2 weeks ahead. That gives you ample time for just in case something really bad happens to where you can't upload, then that's 2 weeks of videos that are covered. Now obviously the more videos you upload, then the more difficult it will be and throughout this whole entire winter break to get necessarily 2 weeks ahead, but even getting 1 week ahead, it still helps, and it's not putting a lot of stress on your body, because I'm putting a bunch of stress trying to get all this BCT stuff together, hosting all these giveaways, which if you haven't entered, it is still live for like 3 or so days, so be sure to check out the link in the description. There'll also be an iCard directing you to that video that kind of explains what the giveaway is. But basically doing all these videos in a short amount of time is taking a toll on my body. I mean, I'm slightly losing sleep, but I mean, it's something that I'm willing to do. Probably not the best thing, but as soon as December ends, I can finally rest. So anyways, back on topic. So now you're like, okay, I gotta get at least 1 week ahead of schedule. How do I do that? Well, it's simple. Let's say you upload a video once a week. Well, after that video uploads, you can start working on the video for next week. and maybe it takes you around 2 days to finish it. Schedule that for the same time you uploaded a video last week, and then start working on the next video. And once you finish that, maybe it's already in the next week. Okay, that's fine. Schedule that for next week and start working on the next video. Now, obviously, there are some videos, it's like where something new happens and you have to like kind of hurry up and record and get this footage out. And yeah, by all means, that is fine. In fact, you can even rearrange the way you had things. But still, staying ahead of schedule is going to be key, especially to those that are involved in extracurriculars or AP/pre-AP classes, or in some states, I guess they're called honor classes. It's going to be very detrimental, especially when it comes time for finals, for those of you that are in college and high school, where finals actually mean a lot. And then during those finals, you could still have your videos ready to be uploaded, even though, you know, you're studying for finals. So that's pretty much it in essence. So basically we're gonna recap. So first things first is, when we go into 2019, you need to have a schedule in mind. Now, in order for you to have a schedule in mind, you have to be able to know what is going to happen in your real life. So like with school, or those of you older that are watching this, with work. And you gotta understand like how long it takes for you to do stuff. So how long it takes for you to record, how long it takes for you to make a thumbnail, how long it takes for you to edit. And knowing all that, you have to be able to balance this, how long it takes for you to make the video itself, what else is going in your life, and your other responsibilities and priorities. Although I guess at some extent we all want YouTube to be our career, we have to understand that we need to keep a balance between YouTube and our actual life, because at this point in time it is considered a hobby for most of us. So it is very important that you don't necessarily sacrifice other priorities just to upload a YouTube video, which is the main purpose of this video, is teaching you how to find a balance between you making content and you are doing your real life responsibilities. So now that you've got your schedule decided, we need to figure out a plan for you to start getting ahead of that schedule, which involves you having to maybe put in a little extra work but for this winter break or the next break you have. But in doing that, I tell you, whenever I was ahead of my schedule for like 2 weeks, I felt so stress-free. I felt like if I were sick, I can just wait. Now, granted, those videos still aren't up to par with these videos that I produced today, but hey, that's all about improvement. So yeah, anyways, that's going to be it for this video. So now we're going to talk about BCT news. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys that are watching this are new to the series. If you're still in, I applaud you. Thank you all so much for watching. Basically, I'm going to do BCT news differently because there's only 1 week left in December and January is completely undecided. So I'm gonna tell you guys what BCT is, since you guys are probably new to this. Well, BCT actually stands for Better Creators of Tomorrow, and the video that you're watching right now is part of my Better Creators of Tomorrow creator course, where I give tips and tricks to help you become a better creator. Now, in my video, whenever I said that BCT was evolving, which there will be an iCard in the upper right if you want to check that out. In that video, I said that I'm not the best YouTuber, nor am I a perfect YouTuber, nor will I ever be those things. But there are some things that I have noticed through quantifiable data that I've been taking by hand over the past 2 years of this channel, and other things that I recognized from previous channels that I had, that there's certain things that work and that are beneficial to your channel. So I was like, you know what, maybe I should start sharing this information with other people, because through seeing other people and communities on their channels, yeah, I look through channels a lot. It's just that some videos, they can be constructed better, the channels, they can be presented better, and they don't necessarily know that, or they're not able to. And so I was like, well, let me try and help people out and try and actually get them in this community to where every person helps out. There was a video I released, I think a week and a half ago. It was my first kind of podcasty thing. It was BCT Creator, or not Creator, Community Talks. And in this video, it wasn't just me that gave my input on the specific video. It was also active members on the community. We had Jenna Gets Creative talk about what her opinions. We had Lolly B Arts talk about her opinions. And then we had King ZZZ who voiced his opinions. It wasn't, yeah, the video was kind of put together necessarily all by me, but still the impact of the video and the impact of all the people in the community that came together to help make that video, that's what I want. I want to achieve a community that helps each other, that gives each other feedback, that doesn't just drop their link wherever and expect to get, you know, views and an audience by doing that. So that's really the whole entire goal of BCT. Now, as I said earlier in the video, I have a giveaway that is currently going on, and this is for a complete channel revamp. Now, I'm gonna say this, you don't have to be subscribed to my channel. Past giveaways, I'm like, okay, yeah, you have to subscribe in order to participate, but this giveaway is not about my channel. This giveaway is about the BCT community, and I'm using one of my skills to help promote this community by giving a complete channel remakeover, since I am technically an aspiring graphics designer. In addition to that giveaway, we're going to do a live stream later on in December that is going to be helping people come up with schedules, doing micro reviews. So if you want like a mini channel review, then, you know, be sure to like look down in the comments, and I'll come up with a time and a date to where I'm going to do this live stream. Now, what's coming up for the last day of December, last Sunday of December, I haven't quite decided. It might involve me doing a lot of digging on mobile apps, but it's still going to be something beneficial, and if it's nothing I can think of at the moment, then that'll just be the break day for BCT. Now, if you're still here, I want you to leave hashtag BCT in the comments. That lets me know that you watched to at least this point and that you've gotten all the information that I've said in this video. If you liked the video, or you liked all the information, or you at least learned at least something to how you can be consistent in 2019, then be sure to leave a like. Comment down, what are your ideas for your personal channel in 2019? How do you plan to do better in 2019 than you did better in 2018? Share it with your friends that are trying to start a YouTube channel. This is very important information. This can help them start in the right direction. And why not check out other BCT videos here on my channel? While they all generally apply to everyone, like how to use tags or how to basically plan and start your channel, which I'm going to redo that for 2019. How to do all these different things, like the importance of metadata, the importance of collaborations. There's all these different things that you can learn from, and who knows, you might like this series. Anyways, my name is Mykal. If you want, you can follow me on Twitter at ITZsharky1. Yeah, I'm going to start leaving my Twitter handle. So, yeah. Anyways, my name is Mykal, and I'll see you all next week or sooner.